So today in this video we're gonna see the relationship between the angle of friction and angle of repose. Fine. So as in the previous video we have discussed about the friction and the type of friction. So first of all we're gonna see that what actually angle of repose is. So angle of repose is basically the minimum angle made by an incident plane with x-axis. For suppose this is we have incident plane on which with the x-axis they are making the with the x-axis making the angle. So this is known as angle of repose. Okay. After that here what we have, first of all we consider right here. Let me write here. First of all consider consider the body who have weight placed on inclined inclined plane with make an angle with x-axis. What that this means that we have to consider one plane. We highlight that we have to consider a body who have weight. For suppose here we have put the body. This body have what? This body have the weight. Fine. After that this body is placed with the inclined plane. This is the inclined plane and which makes an angle with the x-axis or horizontal. Horizontal. Fine. After that here what we have that here we're gonna see again about the whole concept. So here I'm gonna erase this so that it can be clear to you guys. Yeah. So after that here what we have actually, first of all as we have considered the weight body which is placed on the inclined plane which make an angle with the x-axis. After that now here three forces are acting. How much? Three forces are acting. Let me write here. Three forces are acting on a body. Now here three forces are acting on a body. For suppose one we have, this is the weight which is the body. First one we have the force applied or you can say friction. Friction and we have W cos theta and W sin theta. So these are the three we can say, these are the three forces which are applied on a body. Fine. After that what we have? We have that basically now here we, for suppose here I am making the angle. Here we have theta. After that this is the box placed and here this is making an angle with what? This is making W cos theta, another this is making the W sin theta. So these are the two components in which this is broken down. Fine. After that now we're gonna write these both component and going to do the derivation. So let me erase this all so it will be clear to you guys. Fine. Here. Now first of all we have what? W cos theta is equal to R. Now here what actually R is the normal reaction or reactant which is applying here. Fine. After that we have W sin theta is equal to force or friction which is applying in the opposite direction. Now we're gonna see, now here I termed that this is the equation 1 and this is the equation number 2. Fine. Now here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide the equation number 2 from the 1. So let me write here. divide equation number 1 2 from 1. Okay, I'm gonna now divide these equations from equation number 1. So here you can see first what I'm gonna put on this W. Here W is equal to mg. W is equal to mg. So on the W1 I can put the value mg. So here we have mg, and first I will put to the second equation mg sine theta, which is equal to force. Then we have what? Mg cos theta, mg cos theta, which is equal to R reactant or normal reaction. Then here we will cut this mg and mg. After that, this sine theta upon cos theta, this is equal to tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Then what we have? Then I have Fr. And Fr is equal to mu. Mu is basically what? Coefficient of friction. Let me write coefficient of friction. Fine, this is coefficient of friction. Now we're gonna see here. I'm writing here. So first of all we have now tan theta. Let me erase it. Okay. Tan theta is equal to S cos and sin theta were equal to the tan theta and Fi were equal to the mu. So now we're gonna put the value of these both. Fine. Tan theta is equal to mu. Fine. So tan theta is equal to mu. Now where alpha is the angle of, where here alpha is denoted with angle of friction. Angle of friction. Fine. Hopefully this is clear to you. Tan theta is equal to mu. So this was all about today's. So hopefully you have enjoyed today's lecture, and bye bye. So bye bye. This was today's hopefully, and this was the diagram which I made. Sorry. This was the diagram. Hopefully you get something new from this video. So bye bye. Do